Atta.
As-tu?
Here is Ghana.
Et ici, c'est au Ghana.
We have law in this country.
Il y a des lois dans ce pays.
You have to pay snakes to the workers.
Les assurances.
You have to pay redundancy for the workers.
Tu dois payer les indemnités.
You have to pay height allowance for the workers.
Tu dois augmenter les salaires.
Atta said no, he will not pay.
Atta dit non.
Because you have
Au grand jamais.
because you have a citizen called Yima
Parce qu'il a un citoyen qui s'appelle Ima.
who give his permit to this foreigner.
Il lui a donné un permis de travail.
So they connect together.
Maintenant, ils sont
They connect together.
Ils se sont associés.
They are using our police to chase us.
Et maintenant, ils sont en train d'utiliser notre police.
So I'm dealing with the media.
Et nous avons appelé les médias.
I want them all to come in.
Et qu'ils sont venus, qu'ils viennent ici.
Honorable Ashaye,
Monsieur l'honorable Achaye
Tamawe Sempi, Honorable Ajebsenu.
et le député de Tema Ouest.
We are pleading.
Nous avons prié.
We are begging them.
Nous leur avons demandé.
We are citizens of this country.
Nous, les citoyens de ce pays.
Some of us we have suffered for this party.
Certains d'entre nous ont souffert pour les partis.
Some of us we have campaigned for John Dramani Mahama.
Certains d'entre nous ont fait des campagnes.
We have campaigned for Tamawe Sempi, Honorable
Nous
Ajebsenu.
avons fait battu campagne pour le député.
For him to come to power.
Afin qu'ils puissent venir au pouvoir.
And as at now,
Et maintenant qu'ils sont venus au
some of
pouvoir.
us we are still at home.
Maintenant, certains d'entre nous sont en train de nous.
We have families that we need to take care of them.
Nous avons des familles.
And now that we are coming to work with company
Nous sommes venus travailler avec une société
who said he's a foreigner
que le contracteur est un étranger.
and he's the one
Et maintenant, il est celui-là
insulting the members of parliament.
qui est en train d'insulter les membres du Parlement.
I said this particular guy is called Atta.
Et maintenant, seulement, et particulièrement,
He's a
cette
foreigner.
personne qui s'appelle Atu.
He's a foreigner.
C'est un étranger.
He said he's not going to pay.
Il dit qu'il ne va pas payer.
So I will allow
Maintenant, nous allons permettre
some of the workers also
certains des travailleurs
to come to the media
qui vont venir devant les médias,
so that they also can tell you guys
qu'ils vont venir s'exprimer ce que nous sommes en train de subir.
our grievances.
Amen.
Our grievances.
Ils vont venir expliquer ce que nous sommes en train de vivre ici,
So
devant les médias.
thank the media so very much.
Merci, merci beaucoup.
After
Okay,
that,
so
we let the media go and take videos of the
Nous
company.
allons permettre aux médias
I see the kind of work that we have been doing.
Comment constater le travail que nous avons abattu.
We can't steal.
Nous sommes toujours là.
We only work and survive.
Nous voulons travailler pour
And now we are working.
Maintenant, nous travaillons.
And the foreigners are still us.
Maintenant, les étrangers
So
sont
we
en train de nous.
are begging our big men.
Nous sommes en train de demander
They should come.
aux responsables pour qu'ils viennent.
They should come.
Qu'ils viennent.
Come address this issue.
Et qu'ils viennent.
Thank you all so much.
Pas de problème. Merci.
Okay, Mr. Freeman, Joe boy! Joe boy! Silence. Mr. Freeman, based on what you are saying, I want to know, did they give you...
One by one, I say,
Based on what you are saying, you were telling us that these people are not paying your snake, they are not doing anything, your height allowance, your everything, they don't pay. But I want to know. Okay, Mr. Freeman, I want to know, did they give you people what they call contract form before you start working with them? I think let me put it like this: appointment letter. Were you guys given an appointment letter before you start working with them? There is no appointment letter. So categorically, then, if there is no appointment letter was issued, then you have every right to invite the Labour Commission to come into this issue. Because in every sector, before you employ someone, the person must be given appointment letter. The appointment letter will carry every details about the work, the height allowances or any allowances that you have to give the person. Everything snake. If you are not going to pay the snake, it will show in the appointment letter. So because of this, no appointment letter was given to you. So how do you manage to work? And how do you know the salary that they are coming to pay you guys?
Thank you, media. Thank you so very much. It's happened in this way. Some of our colleagues have received appointment letter for 3 months. Some of us, we don't really receive at all. Someone like me, I don't really receive at all. Why? Because I asked, and they have told me, this is the amount they will pay we as a worker. But later, once we are working with them, then the management call us, and they bring some documents shows that this is the amount they want to pay a worker, each worker of us. So after we are working with them and we have find out that they are not paying straight, so me and my team probably went to them and we asked them that why are they not paying straight? Why they have to told we as the leaders is that they said because they don't want to pay any stupid tax, any stupid redundancy, any stupid how do you call it, snake. That's why they are paying tabletop.
Come again, please. I want to hear it here. He said they don't want to pay any stupid tax. That's what they said. Or you are just saying it?
That was what they said.
Who said that?
What Atta. The foreigner. Atta, that's what he told me.
He said they don't want to pay any stupid tax.
It's a stupid tax.
Okay.
It's a stupid, how do you call it? It's a stupid redundancy. So he's not going to pay. It's one of his white man. So after we are having the meeting with them, we can ask my colleagues. The white man just get angry and walk out of all of us. And he told us that the only thing that they can talk about, they can negotiate with increment. Apart from increment, everything is stupid here. So my colleague will translate it into French.
Okay.
L'homme des médias a posé la question à savoir que quand nous sommes venus pour travailler, est-ce qu'ils nous ont donné des contrats de travail? Maintenant, le freeman a répondu que non. Et il y a certains qui ont eu contrat de travail, d'autres n'ont pas eu. Et maintenant, contrat de travail qu'on doit donner là, pour 3 mois, 6 mois, ça arrive à expiration. Ils n'ont pas renouvelé. Et ceux qui n'ont pas eu de contrat là, on a demandé, est-ce qu'on peut avoir contrat de travail? Ils ont dit que non, qu'on ne peut pas avoir contrat de travail. Ils ont demandé, mais nos assurances, nos indemnités, ils disent que c'est des choses stupides, que c'est de la folie. Il n'y a pas question qu'ils vont payer des taxes, ni impôts, ni indemnités, ni assurance. Que c'est Arthur qui a dit ça.
Okay, so in this case, how are you going to how you guys are going to do now? Because they are not going to pay the SSNIT for you because the SSNIT too is your future, and you cannot work without paying your SSNIT. So in this case, have you reported it to the SSNIT company? I think that they are right here. Have you guys visited them before, or it's not that you are going to visit them?
Thank you all so much, media. This is not the first time this thing is happening. First of all, we report to SSNIT, that was last year. They came in and they meet the management. So after they meet the management, we don't know what the management have given to them. We don't know what promise the management have given to them. They're back again. So after that,
Only license.
Only license.
Only work permit.
Only work permit. Only Ghana ni kambo no mu sala. Ghana ni I didn't paper German no do it ma. Because I know on French. That for you now. On not French. It the people no man no. On na odi ni. On
Ghana nowadays are contract man.
The funny Mr. Yuma. Mr. Yuma, oh yeah, where? And yes, one contractor.
Soldier.
There was still blender contractor, I found the soldier. Still blender contractor, soldier. Honestly, again, in your account.
Okay, no, the contract, can you imagine? I have to come here and say, imagine we can see you here, Jim of
Me, you man, Ghana pay for your mind, it's a formal job. Ghana pay for emblem. Ghana pay for emblem. No, I'm not sure to go in say Ghana say your because I say Ghana pay for shop of Siamra. That's in it, you don't ask me. It's almost done on the chance. Ghana say, yeah, the man you know, like I say, a French country, I say, a rich country. It's Ghana pay for. No, sorry. No, I'm black. No, I'm better as a woman. Because I'm West. And yeah, only black. Ghana pay for.
say they
but Ghana problem.
capture the better. Say we do. Okay, brother. You see, I must say, Wednesday, Babana, why you doing? So, if you are Wednesday, no, Babana, or more than go for Abu. Ah, Muyajman. Then I'm obeying.
Jobo! Say you are not something to conform for the song of
since from last year, as our issues we started saying, a dear pan and Mwakasa and a moment of Motu reporting our police station. Motumi Akko Snake Office Akko reporting Moko Labour Commission and Labour Commission for Akko Kasama Labour Commission for Baha.
I'm going to Labour from Baha. But I said Ghana and pay for Nakasano. You baby are service, the job Moya. Entia, and Casado is Sankan and Penfu Jom Nasa, and Casado and Friday Saturday, and come back to just 24 hours like people. And come back to the I said, Can I pay for now? I said, minimum salary like my young citizens. But because I'm here, because I'm here. Next time, I'm Kwanza. Can I pay for more on Kwanza? Mutumana, Ghana has a young Rama. If you Ghana pay for the Pamutomo service, number by point. Yeah, contract and your leaders now, and I have some more headquarters.